Hey, welcome to MaiMoments, the best channel for makeup and hair tutorial and also products review. I would say that this month is the most exciting part when it's come to makeup because Ulta have 21 days of beauty sales, which means that certain selected items will be 50% off. This is only happened twice a year, so which means that it could be happen in February to March, and it's also happened in August to September. So I'm gonna share with you what I got today, and I'm definitely going to try it on and tell you my experience of each product. So let's get started. By the way, I am a diamond status in Ulta, which means that you have to spend more than 1,000 something, I can't remember, per year. So the best way to really try this product on and tell you how I feel about it, I think we're gonna go from skincare and then to makeup. So the first product I'm going to test out is this right here. It's mentioned to me that this is going to help with my imperfections such as like damaging pores and irregular texture. So we have to pair this with this part because it's a pump, and each of the colors have a different purpose, so it depends on what your skin concern is. And this one is also for imperfections. I believe this is going to target damaging pores, so it's apparently this go well together, so that's why I just go ahead and picked it. So you're going to pull it up like this, and then we are going to place it in there, and we're going to twist it. Perfect. So I'm going to squeeze it out. So the two solutions will mix it together, and I'm going to apply it on my face. I did read comment in there that saying this is a really good product, but some people have tendency to break out, so just be careful when you pairing it together. It's feeling really nice. It's a gel texture, so it's extremely light to the touch. And I like how it feels. It's very hydrated. That's the products I prefer. So it feels a little bit sticky whenever you try to apply, but then whenever it's kind of like absorbed to your skin, it's not sticky. Hopefully I don't get breakout. So finger crossing that. So I used Clarins before, but I don't think I have used this products. I really like their products because it tend to be more natural. And for this one is extra firming, so you know, I'm gonna get all the firming I get for my face because I want it to be lit and also hydrated, looking as young as possible. And it's have SPF in there, so that's a plus because if you tend to forget to wear a extra sunscreen, then this will kind of protect you. The texture is very light. Wow, the smell is amazing. It's like whenever you go to a garden of like flower, it smells just like that. It's really soft to the touch and very hydrating and extremely smooth. Wow. When this product is attached to your skin, it's like melt into your skin and it feels really, really nice. So I regret not buying two of these products because I was trying to make a purchase and then it sold out. I mean, I stay up to 2 a.m. just to get this product, making sure that I able to receive it, because if you're not fast, first come first serve, it will be gone. So this is the first time I ever see Clarins and Shiseido's on sale ever when it's come to skincare, because this products tend to be more in the high-end side. That's why they don't really do a 50% off, but I'm so glad they did because I was over here trying to stock, but you know, people over here purchasing because they know it is really hard to get 50% off when it comes to skincare. So if next time, like in February and March, I definitely recommend you to get skincare because that's really the most important thing. And I really want to try Shiseido. Shiseido, I don't think I tried before. Look how nice this bottle is. Wow, this smells really nice. It have a subtle scent, but not too much. Little bit floral, but more into a refreshing side. Wow, it feels so soft, and once again, it melts right into your skin, and it just glides through. Wow, you guys, I really enjoy Shiseido. they know what they're doing, and it's like so soft whenever I'm over here applying to my face, and I can feel it's hydrated and moisturizing, and I know it's having anti properties, so it's going to have also firming and push back gravity. I hope that's gonna happen. So this product here is not skincare or makeup, but I think it's very nice to know about hygiene. So that's why I purchased about this product, because I've been looking for a good deodorant because I want it to be natural as possible and also going to feel like non-sticky, or it's not going to transfer a white cast. And I found this one when it's on sale. I mean, a lot of people have a good rating on it. That's why I decided to purchase it. And I am not disappointed at all. It's more into the expensive of deodorant side, but it's actually really worth it. A little sense of coconut, so I'm huge in coconut smell. I just don't really go into a coconut ingredients when it's come to my face because I know it's gonna block my pores. And this one is a non-sticky formula glide and smooth and very hydrated your underarms. I do admit, whenever you over here put it on, it felt really cool sensations and also very smooth, and I know it does not transfer. It will able to keep your smell throughout the whole day, and it's not going to leak out. Some of the deodorants I have tried, not the brightest. I mean, you can still smell your BO. So this one, I love it really much. I do recommend it so much to my friends and family. So if you're able to get your hand into this, it's a must. So let's moving on to this product. This is Marjo Badescu, and this is their facial spray. You can use this as a setting spray, or in the middle of the day you just need to refreshen and feel hydrated. You can just spray it on your face, and it's very hydrated. Is natural ingredients in here, which I do enjoy. So this product here, you're not supposed to use when it's mixed like this. As you can see, it's pretty cloudy. It's supposed to have a two line, so one is like liquid and one is like the good products down here. So I cannot use it right now. We're going to put that on aside. I'm going to apply this primer before I'm going in with like foundations or makeup. Okay, so the texture of this felt really soft and smooth, but I do not like the smell. It's not the greatest. I rather have it nonsense. I can feel that it's more like chemical in this smell rather than natural ingredients. So I'm not going to prefer this. If I was trying to pick one, I'd rather go with this product because it does not have any smell, and also it's going to cover my pores. You know what? I'm going to use this product to cover my pores. So I'm just going to lather primers on top of primers, and I'm just going to target toward my nose where there is a bunch of pores, and definitely not priming is a crime. So I'm just gonna make sure I am cover all those holes. So looking at this palette right here, it's nice and sturdy and it's very well made. Having a big mirror can be a really great benefit whenever you go to traveling. It's have two highlighters, two blushes, and two bronzers. You don't always have to use this whatever to say, so I'm going to use it as an eyeshadows. Just let you guys know I did not buy any eyeshadows this time of a palette because I have so much and I want to save my money for something else that is like new to launching or something that I really particularly want. I did not purchase eye primers either, so it is fine. You're just going in. Oh, it's such a beautiful pink colors. And then I'm just going in like this. And just let you know that this blushes have a duochromes. So whenever I'm trying to turn left and right, it's have reflections. As you can see here, it's a transition of colors. And so if you just want a one solid colors blushes, this is not going to be for you. But I have to admit, this is such a beautiful pinkish colors and also a little bit orange. I'm going to grab this satin chic right here, and I'm going to apply that on my inner corner. This very smooth and beautiful shade is not a lot of fallout either. I'm going to pick up the Sunny Honey and go ahead and colors outside of my outer rim. This one does not have glitter, which I'm glad because it's supposed to be a bronzer. To highlight my brown bones, I'm going to use the Start Light, and I just want to let you know it does have a duochromes of pinkish color. I really wanted to put this under my eyes because yesterday I did not sleep until like 2 or 3 because I was busy editing and doing other stuff. It's have a little sticky, so you're just going to head and peel it off and place it under your eye like this. Okay, I'm going to apply Hydro Cool Firming Eye Gels. This is going to help firm, depuff, and reduce the sign of premature aging, which is going to reduce the appearance of fine line and wrinkle and also reduce of puffiness. Oh, it's have a very cool sensation. Oh, that feel really nice. So I'm going to use this product right here. Is a Clinique. This is my first time using this Clinique and is a eyebrow pencil, and this is smudger so you can do a smoky eye. If you have a closed set eyes or a hooded eye and you're only comfortable using a eyeliner pencil, I do recommend this one because it does what it say as the descriptions, that it's not going to smudge or transfer to your under eyelid. Also, it will last pretty much 24 hours until you take it off. But the con is that it's not going to give you a perfect line as if you are using a liquid eyeliner. If you are doing a smoky eyeliner, I do see this used in this purpose, but other than that, I did not really enjoy using this smudger. It's kind of hurt a little bit. I'm glad that I bought this eyeliner. It's from Stila. It's usually costs $22. I bought it for $11. The colors is extremely pigmented, it's blackish, and it's not gonna have like any kind of glitters or shininess, which I really enjoy. So I definitely going to recommend this products too. So I'm going to use this House of Lashes. By the way, this was not on sale at all. I just really want to try this, so that's why I purchased it. Oh, the tip is similar to a liquid eyeliner. So this year was the first time Lily Lashes was ever on sale. So if you got the chance to buy Lily Lashes when it's on sale, that's great. I did not buy Lily Lashes this time around because I still have a lot of lashes left that I need to go through. And especially when I do makeup, I do save my lashes. So I can really reuse for a good like 5 to 6 times. And I just save it whenever I need it, and I just put it back in a container. Okay, so after 10 minutes, let's see, what is it? My dark circle have like not disappeared completely, but it's definitely a decrease of my dark circle. So when it's come to mascara, is your own preference, but I would say I'd rather use the Essence mascara for a much cheaper price rather than buying this products right here, because it's basically do the same thing as lengthening or volumize, and you can basically buy a drugstore for a much cheaper price. In order to purchase this products right here, you have to be a sapphire or a diamond status. I truly love this product, so I usually purchase extra 1 or 2 since it's $13.50 each, and I do recommend it if you are looking for a great concealer. Another product of Holy Grail as mine is Hula Benefit. I'm so glad it is on sale. You don't have to be a certain status to purchase this, and I enjoy it so much because it's perfectly for my skin since I have a yellow undertone. So if you have a similar undertone to mine, I do recommend this product right here. It's really pretty. It's very pigment, which I love because it's gonna tell me that it's gonna last long throughout the day. Because I don't know why blushes tend to be like all gone at the end of the day. So hopefully this one will last long. Do a tapping motion to go up here, and then I'm going to blend it in, bring it up. I love how it's made me really glowing within, and it's very light glow, so I like to do this like a V here. So whenever I'm turning, you can definitely see the highlight of my cheekbones. It does not only smell good, but it's really pigment and it's true to colors, and it's not a lot of fallout either. It's really easy to apply and really great formula. So lastly, I'm going to spray the All Nighter. I also have the De-Sleek right here. So one is going to be for long lasting and another one is oil control. So for me, I usually spray with this one because my oil tends to show up throughout the day, but for today I want my makeup to last long. And also this was 50% off, which is a really great deal because it's such a great product and high quality. Unfortunately, today I did not get a chance to try this, but definitely I'm gonna make a video, just a Benefit products line, and I can tell you what products I prefer and what products that is not to my favorite. So all the products that I tried today, I am super pleased and happy with. I just want to let you know, if I was comparing this products and this products, what do I prefer? I will go this all the way because I do not like the smell of this, and also it does not cover my pores. So if you are a person that into a smooth skin, I would definitely go with this. And if you can't able to stand the smell, it's a good product, don't get me wrong, but it's just like I prefer to use this over this one. So out of this three, which one do I pick? Actually all of them, because it works so well together. This one has an SPF of 15. It's going to help with firmness and also anti-aging. This one is a similar purpose, but it's going to be more advanced because it's going to help me with my night routine. And then this one, I can combine this in the morning and the night because it's hydrations. Hydration is particularly different than moisturizers. All these products right here I really enjoy and love, but if I only get a chance to recommend you two products for today, I definitely go with this one. I've been searching for deodorant for the longest time for the good one, and this one really stand out because the way it makes me feel whenever I put under my armpit, it's just like really freshen, and it does keep my BO on a bay. This is perfect for male and female, and I know that they also have a lot of different scents, so you can definitely play around from there. Another products that I do recommend because I believe in skincare is Shiseido. I just really enjoyed this moisturizer because whenever I apply it on my skin, it melts right into my skin and it's not thick at all. It was very liquidy, and then whenever I blend it in, it's just absorbing so quickly, so nice, and it does not have like sticky textures, and the smell is really great. Definitely the smell gonna help you go to sleep because it's very subtle, it's very fresh. And I think this is all that I have for today, but there's also another two videos waiting for you to click on because it's made especially for you. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell for more notifications, and as always, love yourself, stay motivated. Peace out.